Hey you guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to a brand new video. Thank you for being here with me today. So today's video we are getting it all done. I had to do like basically a weekly reset, just getting my house ready for the new week. I normally do my reset on a Sunday, but this was actually a Monday since my little ones were sick. I did not manage to get it done this Sunday, but so three of my kids are sick, so I was basically just um, paying attention to them this Sunday, so I could not get any cleaning done. So I had to remove this carpet out of my living room. This thing was faulty. I am actually thinking I am going to get rid of it, but nevertheless, I had to take it out and just reset my living space for the new week. I am also doing some cooking and then also some laundry so that we can go into the new week with no dirty laundry. You guys know that laundry is never ending, so but I hope that you guys would find some motivation out of this video. If you have something to do, you can play me in your background while we clean together, or we cook, or we do laundry, whatever it may be that you have to get done. So I hope that you would find some motivation out of this video. So guys, if you are new here, I am Victoria Best. I am a wife and a mom of four little ones. On my channel I do everything home and homemaking. I also share some lifestyle content and also some mommy duties. And I hope that you would find this channel helpful and I hope that you would consider joining my YouTube family, subscribing to my channel, and then we can basically grow together. On my channel I really just like to keep things real and not really perfect. I don't really go for perfection. I just want to stay real and keep it real with you guys. So as I mentioned, my house, you guys see that my house is not perfect at all, but I do like keeping it real. So on my channel you will just see me keeping it real, basically turning my house into a home every day, just striving to be the Proverbs 31 kind of woman. I love being the keeper of my house, even though I know that God is the one who keeps it all together. Without him I cannot do nothing. Without him I am no one. So all praises go to God for giving us life. So I am just making my best with this life that I have, and I hope that you guys will find some motivation out of this video. We are doing some cleaning, some cooking, some laundry, and also in this particular video my husband was at home, so while my kids were in their rooms, just man, I just made sure that they got their medication and they were sleeping. I felt like I needed to do something in the house since they were sleeping. I just took the time to just tidy up where I can. As I mentioned, this was not my usual Sunday cleaning. I did do it on the Monday and they were here, but my husband was home as well. Since he's working night shift, he was at home still with me during the day. You would see me in this video as well, just getting his praise on. He loves to do his praise and his worship. I feel like we are very similar in that department. So in this video you will actually see him doing his getting his moves on while he was praying. I just felt like that was super awesome, and then I just took a short clip of him. Basically, so yeah, I hope that you guys would find motivation in this video. Once again, I don't know how many times I said it already. And then I also just felt like I needed to go out and get a new mop. My father actually used chase flute. He actually used my house mop to mop the yard, and the chase flute basically just stained my my mop. So at this point I feel like I just need a new one because it feels like this thing just looks dirty all the time. Even though I soak it in bleach, this thing does not want to get white anymore. So I just felt like I needed to get a new mop. Could not go out since my kids were not feeling well and they were at home as well. So I definitely have to sort that one out as well. So I hope that you guys would enjoy this video. So let's get some work done. So guys, it has been stressful with 3 out of 4 kids sick. um, I am just trying to keep it all together and stay focused. So I have been dealing with a lot with my kids being sick and then also having some technical difficulties. I wasn't able to upload. So it was just like, man, things are happening that is basically out of my control. So I have been just telling myself that control what you can, basically, and I have just been trying to really stay focused, because now lately, man, my emotions are all over the place. So I am really just trying my best to stay stay sane and stay focused for my family's sake, but most importantly for my own sake, just to be at a healthy space, in a healthy space mentally. So I hope that you are doing some cleaning with me, or I hope that you are so I hope that you are playing me in your background and we are doing some cleaning together. So guys, I really just must uploading, so I am glad to be back doing this voiceover. As I mentioned, my kids were sleeping in their room, so I don't think I will be talking a lot more in this video, since I am just basically trying to get this video done and up before they wake up. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. I hope that you found some motivation in this video today. Thank you for always consistently watching my videos. I love you guys and I appreciate you guys. I will see you guys in my next upload. Please watch this video until the end. Don't forget to give me a like and please consider subscribing to this channel. I will definitely see you guys in my next upload. I love you guys. Until next time, bye.